Guess what, cooks? We have been waiting for this for 2 months. We are going to unbox the Kenmore Ovation. This is the first major change in stand mixers that I have seen in a long time. Now we know the state of Kenmore and Sears at the current time, but they have recently released this new mixer that has a lot of different functions that we have never seen before in a stand mixer. And when I saw this baby, I had to have one. We have one in the Amy Learns to Cook kitchen today, and we're gonna unbox this baby. So join me as we unbox the Kenmore Ovation Stand Mixer. Yay! Yay! So about 2 months ago, at least 2 months ago, I got tipped off. I don't even know who tipped me off about this mixer, but I went out to their website and I was like, I gotta have one of those. And they have been running ads for this on Facebook non-stop for the last 2 months. They've been teasing us with this mixer because there's something very unique about this mixer that no other mixer has done before. What's unique about this mixer is there's a hole in the top of the mixer and you can add ingredients straight down into the bowl. It has a full glass bowl, a full pouring shield, and the way you get the ingredients in this mixer is through the top of the mixer. Now, Sears has been doing some really strange things about this mixer. They brought it out, they brought 1 or 2 little videos out, and they've been teasing us for over 2 months on this mixer, on Facebook, on their website, on Amazon, everywhere I go. All I see is the Kenmore Ovation Stand Mixer. And they've done a great job of teasing us, right, and making us anticipate this mixer, because we have been anticipating this mixer. We've been talking about it. We've been talking about it in our Facebook group, because this is really innovative if it works, right? And that's the question. But the first step is we need to do a little geeking, right? We got to get this thing out of the box, and we need to have a little bit of fun with it. So we've been watching their website, and there's been some really weird reviews popping out because they gave a release date of like 2 months in advance, and there's 5, 6, 7 reviews on there of people who appear to be possibly associated with Sears. I'm not exactly sure who these people are. A couple of them said that they got initial release of the mixer and got to test it, but they're showing their location as Chicago, which kind of sounds like they're employees of Sears, I don't know, or maybe someone that they used in their test marking. I'm not exactly sure, but the reviews were very glowing of this mixer. So I took those reviews with a grain of salt. So they initially had this mixer priced at just about $500. Was it
$449?
$449. And we purchased it at $449. And sometime later, Eric got an email saying they reduced the price to $399. But then I managed to order one on Amazon for $349. So the price kept going down the closer we got to the review date. So we ended up getting on Amazon for $349. So it is here, guys. And let's take a look at this thing. It needs a drum roll, just because I've never seen anything like this before. Ding. That was a pretty lame ding. So here we are, guys. The Kenmore Ovation. This baby is heavy and has an interesting look to it. It has a 360-degree splash guard, a 5-quart glass bowl with 10 speeds.
LED light too.
Oh, and an LED light. They had that on their other model. So we have our usual paddle, dough hook, whisk. We also have a strainer.
You have an egg separator.
We have an egg separator and a grater. It has a 5-year warranty.
500 watts.
500 watts. Oh, we got to open it from the bottom.
From the bottom? Oh, jeez.
Yeah. Eric played around with this during What's Up Wednesday. This side up when opening, which is odd. Oh! Whoa. Whoa. That's the first glimpse of it, huh? Are you guys having fun like I am? So, oh, nice. So we have a Ovation cookbook with 15 amazing savory and sweet recipes. Buttermilk fried chicken, cauliflower pizza, banana cake with Nutella. Ha ha ha, nice. Love nice manuals. Here is our actual use and care guide. We'll be thumbing through that. Well, let's get busy, guys. So what do we got here? This looks like the egg separator. You just put this in the hole, put your egg in there, bam, egg whites go down. Hopefully. What do we got here? This looks like, yeah, splash guard. What do we got? Okay, so here's the grater. Right. Grate your cheese right into the mixer. And here is the dough hook. Funky, okay. I don't know what this is here.
Could be a cover for your glass bowl.
Cover for the glass bowl, nice, nice. Cord.
Power cord.
Let's see. Dun, 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 dun. Ooh, it's covered up. Here we have a paddle, which is amazingly small. I guess I'm used to larger mixers, so we'll see how that performs. And it's on its side. Oh. Whoa. Whoa, diddly. You see I'm teasing you guys. Oh! It's kind of heavy. Oh! Okay. It's out. It smells a little bit like rubber or something. We got some burgundy color. Okay, guys. Here we go. Here's the first look at the Ovation. The very first look at the Ovation. Dun 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 dun. I'm teasing ya. I'm teasing myself too. Dun 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 dun. Ta-da. Ta-da. Woo! Yeah! There it is, guys. The Kenmore Ovation.
Yeah.
Holy cow, it kind of looks like a jaguar.
Yeah, that's kind of pretty. That looks like a cinnamon color or something.
It's a little smaller than I thought it would be.
Yeah, it's not that big.
Whoo! It looks like a jaguar, right?
Jaguar.
Let's see. So this is our little hole here.
Funnel.
And here's your hole going down in there. And we're going to lift the head on this. We're going to, how do you remove the paddle? Okay.
Yeah. And I got news for you, Boo-Boo.
What?
It has a spring thing that KitchenAid don't have.
Wow, imagine that. It's got a spring.
Did you get close to that?
Ooh. It's kind of groovy. So, this is very heavy. So, down. There's that. Interesting, interesting. Turn it around here, and you got a hub on this side. And supposedly, based on the comments, the KitchenAid attachments, it's a possibility that they fit on here. That's what they said. I don't know, though. You can take the screws a little harder to get in. So we're going to open this up. Let's see if I can figure out how to get this thing on here. I guess that's on. We'll put the paddle on. Lower it down. Where is this light?
Oh, probably when you turn it. Oh, it's on.
So one of the things I see off the bat is it's slightly different from the KitchenAid, because the KitchenAid, almost like the post is here and it goes this way and the post goes around. This one here, it moves more around the bowl like this. It is doing the planetary action, but when I first saw it, I was like, how is this little thing gonna get at all corners of the bowl, because this is awfully small. But it seems like this spins around and moves around the bowl this way more than the KitchenAid does. Now you see how that is? It's almost like the KitchenAid.
It's going around that hole in the middle.
Yeah, it's like going around this hole, like this bump in the bottom in the middle of the bowl. More like around the outside edge, instead of just being from the bottom and moving around and being large enough that it'll hit all those areas. This is more like around this thing at the bottom. So guys, this is the Kenmore Ovation Stand Mixer. We're gonna put it through our usual test to see how this performs. I'm looking forward to it. It's very unique. That's all I can say. If you want to take a look at this mixer, I'll put a link down on this in the description to the Amazon page. If you like this video, please subscribe below and leave me a comment and a like. Visit my website at amylearnstocook.com. I'm also on Twitter and Pinterest at Amy Learns to Cook. On Facebook, I'm at Facebook.com/groups/Amy Learns to Cook. And on Instagram, I'm at Cooking with Amy. How about this? You guys want to see these two go head to head? You know that's going to happen.